Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's Momomakeup here. Can we just take a second to appreciate my skin? This is compliments of the ColourPop foundation with the No Filter Concealer that's also from ColourPop. Today I'm going to be reviewing for you guys the Facetory monthly subscription box or bag, whatever you want to call it. This is the first time I will be trying out this subscription bag, so I'm going to show you guys what's inside here. I haven't even opened it yet. As you can see, the seal is still intact. I'm going to open this up and go through with you guys what I received in my bag this month. So if you're interested to see what's inside this bag here, then please keep on watching. I'm going to talk briefly about what Facetory is for those of you who do not know. It is a monthly sheet mask subscription box. They offer two different options. The first option is called the Forever Fresh. This retails for $5.95. You get 4 masks per month, but they do charge you shipping and it's $2.95. So in total for 4 sheet masks delivered straight to your door, you pay $8.90. I also did the math and that equals about $2.22 per mask. Then you have the option for the 7 Luxe package, which is 7 sheet masks. The nice part about the 7 Luxe option is that you can actually customize your mask selection, whether or not you have dry skin, oily skin, combination. You do have the option to share with Facetory what your skin texture is like so they can choose masks that better suit your face. With the Forever Fresh package, you just get a themed box, and so that's not really customizable at all. Anyway, the 7 Luxe box costs $15.95 and shipping for that is $3.95. So that totals out to $19.90 for 7 masks. I factored that out and it costs about $2.84 per mask. Okay, so I'm gonna open this up. I think this bag is so cute, guys. What do you think? It has like the little girl there and cactuses, lemons. It's cute. I like it. When I open this up, comes with the masks. I believe the theme is called Where to Next. On the back, it does give you a coupon code. Facetory.com, where you actually go to subscribe to the box, also offers sheet masks available for purchase individually. If you want, you can use this code here, Destination20, and you get 20% off at Facetory.com, I believe. It also comes with the little card that describes what masks came in my box, how much they cost, what the ingredients are, and so on and so forth. And actually, since this was my first time signing up, they sent me an email to get 2 free masks with this subscription. So let's get started. The first one I want to tell you guys about is the Rose mask. This is from Botanic Farm. The key ingredients and benefits are as follows. This has rose centifolia flower water, which is an antiseptic and astringent. It also has green tea extract, which is rich in antioxidants, and niacinamide, which improves the appearance of enlarged pores, uneven skin tone, and strengthens the surface of your skin. This one here retails for $2.50. The next one that I got is from a brand called Yada. This is a soothing mask pack. It includes honeysuckle flower extract, which is a skin soothing agent, and Portulaca oleracea extract, an excellent antioxidant that fights premature aging and protects the skin from environmental damage. This one's cute. Look at that girl. It's funky. I mean, these are all Korean sheet masks. I did forget to mention that. So like the directions on the back are all in Korean. This retails for $3. The third mask that I received is from the brand called Medius. It is their Ampoule Synergy mask. The key ingredients are grapefruit, fruit extract, hyaluronic acid, which is great. It is a powerful humectant that keeps the skin plump and hydrated, and also has trehalose, which has rehydrating, water-binding properties that help the skin retain its moisture. So that's what that one looks like. This retails for $3. The last one that came in this month's box was from Nature Republic. This is their Real Nature Mask Sheet Acai Berry. This has acai berry fruit extract, Arnica montana flower extract, which is a moisturizing ingredient that contains antibacterial and antiseptic properties. And it also has Gentiana lutea root extract, which is a purifying, skin-soothing ingredient that has additional antioxidant benefits. This retails for $3.50. I also got 2 other masks, and now, like I said, I had to use a code for this that they sent to my email. This is the cereal pore mask. Comes with chestnut shell extract, and this is for pore contraction. It's also soothing and high concentrate nutrition is what the back of the package says. I also got this MRB Daily Ampule Mask. It restores skin balance while delivering moisturization, nourishment, and whitening deep into the skin. The thing is, Facetory is not like a high value subscription box where you pay a small amount and you get a high dollar amount worth of product. However, this is a great option for people who enjoy skin masks. I'm cheap, so I went with the 4 Ever Fresh option. Going forward, maybe I will upgrade to the 7 Lux, but I did want to give it a try first with the 4 mask option. They were able to provide me with an affiliate code. I don't expect you guys to use it, but I will provide it in the description box below. You can click on the link and you can sign up if you're interested. I am going to update the description box as I try these out. I might just do like 1 or 2 per week. This only comes to me once a month, so I might actually space it out and do 1 per week. You know, like, the sheet masks are just so convenient. You just plop it on. I usually use them when I get out of the shower, and it's great because my hair is wet, so I don't have to worry about the product getting into my hair. And then I relax for 15-20 minutes, I take it off, and it's easy cleanup too. Like, it's just a very easy option for people who are looking to take better care of their skin. Hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, and I will see you on the next video. Bye guys!